Panama's sole volcano, the nation of Panama, is well known for its rainforest, the Panama Canal, and for its popular tropical islands, yet something which also exists that many people are not aware of in the country is volcanic activity, as marking the tallest point within Panama is the towering peak of the Barú Volcano, which reaches an altitude of 3,474 m or 11,398 feet. While much of its edifice might look highly eroded and thus quite old, this is a mere illusion. Part of this Barú's ash plain fact is hinted by the widespread light brown PLS which go down Barú's western slopes, which now has tens of thousands of people living on top of it. This material is not only mud but rather represents the extent of repeated pitch floats which scorch the landscape up to 15 kilometers away from Barú summit during the last 3,400 years. The most recent of these overlapping pitch flows was in place during Barú's last eruption in 1550, when a motor-intensity explosive eruption generated superheated gas and ash currents alongside depositing around 3 in or 7.5 cm thick of ash on its summit. And if you just go slightly further back in time, Boo has also presumably caused fatalities, as shown by the abrupt abandonment and presumed destruction of the Saruna archaeological site in the early 8th century. Today WBU is fairly quiet. It occasionally is the site of volcanic earthquake storms, with 3 such events occurring in recent years, specifically in 1965, 1985 and 2006, and yet there are a few features that make Barú stand out among all of the world's volcanoes. For one, while geologic setting, every nearby nation such as Nicaragua, Costa Rica and Colombia each contain more than a half a dozen volcanoes, Panama only contains a single active volcano. Boo is seemingly isolated near the very southeastern edge of the Central American volcanic arc, with its existence being owed to fairly recent subduction of the Cocos Plate underneath the Panama microplate. But the reason why geologists around the world visit this volcano is the fact that it marks the site of the single largest volcanic landslide or debris